After cleaning the components in the drain pan or cleaning the auto top-off reservoir, it's important to lubricate the O-rings. There's 2 sets of O-rings in the drain pan and 1 set of O-rings in our auto top-off reservoir. So I take some fresh cooking oil and apply that to a towel. Then I'm going to apply that oil to the 3 O-rings of the standpipe. This ensures that the first time they're used, they're not going to get snagged or tear or pull off of there. Then down on the filter screen, I'm going to apply that oil to the 2 O-rings of the filter screen. And then in this case, we cleaned the auto top-off reservoir. So I'm going to take and lubricate the 3 O-rings on this auto top-off reservoir. And again, that just ensures that the O-rings don't get snagged, tear, or fall off.